last time I put a class here. This is not correct class, so I should write the class ml auto, so it will go right side of the screen. So this toggle button goes to right side. Now let's continue on our high quality section. So here will be row, and inside row we want two classes for left side and right side. Sorry, call md 6 into 2 this image with caption and link. So total section I am going to put an anchor tag here, a no linking, and then there will be an image img tag. So images slash, let's see what is the image. The image is this one, product one. So this is the image. The caption will be this caption. So let's put the caption h3 and one p tag. I am using p tag so h3 here, and p tag will be inside p tag. So putting a class full width for the image, full W. P tag I am not putting any margin, because default Bootstrap default margin, there will be some margin for the p tag. So I will remove the margin with the custom class no MB. That means I will put later no MB margin bottom 0. So let's see, there will be one icon img tag. Inside img tag I am going to use images download icon. So the icon is not showing because there is the area is white, so icon is white also. Here will be has MB, so that means there will be margin bottom. Let's copy this section and put it here with row dot row, because left and right column. We can copy this one, just change the image. The image is this one, product S1. Here is the image. So now we can copy this tag. There are no need. And this image, this area also has margin bottom. So S2, you can see S2 image showing now. And then let's copy this another time, Ctrl Shift D. I am using shortcut M8, so the image should be 3 and this image should be 4. So you can see our markup is ready. If I expand this one, this is the markup, as you can see here. Now moving on to the next part, this part. So I am taking a class here. I will put directly inside container. So this is the container, and gray section I don't need anymore. This is copy from the hero area. H2 dot upper C custom class is to upper C, and another class is text center. Actually we can make the complete, so here will be p tag. Let's put this p tag. Here will be a form tag, HTML form, and method currently empty. Put the p tag inside p tag, input tag, input type text is fine. So input tag text, placeholder will be enter location. As you can see, another p tag for the button. Button type submit. The button text also submit. Here I should put a container dot text center. Later we will make some margin for this button text, and there will be a class, and there will be a class for the form input. So class is form control. This is the class, Bootstrap class. You can see YOLO button, I think last time, yes, button YOLO. So this is the same styling for this button also. We can use class styling. Now let's moving on to our about section. Section dot about, and here will be a ID. So later we will target meet the team. As you can see here, the drop down menu meet the team. So this link will goes directly to this area. So let's put the ID. Meet the team. I am going to use a generic class for the gray background. Dot container orient tracking h2. Let's say about, and put one p tag. This is the p tag. By the way, if you want the PSD source file, this is my client file. I will share only if you subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share with your email ID. Then I will give you directly the Photoshop file, and help me to grow on the YouTube. Let's moving on. And another there will be a class dot text center, and do another h2 for the meet the team. Let's put the row. Here is the row, you can see. So this part already in the markup and background also in the markup. Now the four column for the image, hover text and bottom text only. Col 6, I'm going to put col 6 because for the smaller size, two images will be left and right, so two columns. So col MD, yes, MD 4, MD 3, and then here 4 columns. Let's remove right now. There will be captions, has caption. Here is the image. So the image is this one, team. Remember our directory name images. Caption image. Now there will be the h2 h3. This is the name and designation, so put the name and so here we'll put a small tag. Inside a small tag I am going to put designation, and one things I forget to add some padding, so section padding, and the ID should be placed here. Here let's make another container dot container var. So here I am going to use the ID, and inside this one I am going to move this one inside this area, and this container should be, this container I am going to use from Bootstrap. And so remember I used some classes for the uppercase, so class upper C, I am going to use this class, and here will be another class text center. Let's use this class for total section. I think better to use total section. So this already done. Let's moving on 4 times. As you can see, the meet the team area is done, markup. So this is for, and once we put the style, this will be looks good, so don't worry, I will show everything here. Nothing is hide from you, so